Terra SurveyComp is a surveying software written specifically for land surveyors to process cadastral and control surveys for submission to the Land and Survey Department of Sarawak. From performing standard computations to generating survey plans and computation reports, it provides the surveyor with a simple-to-use yet powerful tool to get the job done. As displayed, this is the main screen of the SurveyComp workspace. This is the main menu of a SurveyComp workspace. Meanwhile, this is the toolbars. The same function or command may be found and accessed from the main menu by clicking a toolbar button or right-clicking a node in the Job Inspector. This is a job inspector that will provide users with an intuitive and powerful method of interacting with project data. Most functionalities needed to process a survey job can be found within the Job Inspector. Click on the File menu and select New to create a new job file for surveyed data. To save a survey job, click the Save item in the File menu. Look for or decide the location to save the file job and fill in the suitable file name based on your job. Click Save. In the Job Inspector, expand the Survey Job node. Right-click on the job details and click Edit. Job details are used to store information used in describing a survey job. In the pop-up Job Details dialog box, users can enter information such as the survey job number, division, survey firm, and instruments used. This dialog box contains 6 pages of survey information fields such as the job page, surveyor page, instruments page, computations page, reports page, and the survey plan page. Users can fill in the required information in these information fields. Meanwhile, as for this survey job, on the survey plan page, we also tick on the Show Bearing or Distance, Show Substation Number, and Show Sublot Number. Click OK. Next, click on the Computation setting in the Job Inspector. Right-click and click Edit. The computation setting allows the user to change several settings that affect how a survey job is computed or reported and enables users to change the default limits and tolerances for various computations. This dialog box contains 6 pages of computation settings such as General Page, Observations, VA Hiding, Bearing Adjustments, Traversing, and Side Shots. Old Points object is used to store a collection of individual survey point objects entered into the system before a survey job is processed. The Old Lines object, in SurveyComp, refers to the collection of old line objects used to store origin lines and survey lines to be adopted or revised before processing a survey job. Horizontal Distance object refers to the collection of individual distance objects that store level distances, as in cadastral surveys. Stations refers to the collection of individual station objects for a survey job. In principle, each station object corresponds to a particular station setup, storing all the angular and distance observations from this setup. Bearing. This tool object manages a collection of individual bearing adjustment route objects, which can be accessed from either the main menu or the job inspector. Each bearing route is defined by a list of stations making up the route. Traverse. The traverse object manages a collection of individual traverse adjustment route objects. Each traverse route is defined by a list of stations making up the route. The shooting or sub-close object manages a collection of individual shootings and sub-close route objects. Next is lots. In SUVIComp, the lots objects are used to store and manage a collection of individual lot objects, which serve to store lot information to be used in the calculation of lot areas. To compute a survey job, the user can left-click on the Compute button on the standard toolbar. This is the New Sheet Reference tool button, which allows the user to complete the required fields to create a new sheet reference object. Meanwhile, this is an Edit Sheet Reference tool button. It allows users to edit an existing sheet reference object. Save Plan toolbar. This allows users to save their survey plan. In many instances, the same function or command may be found by clicking the toolbar button. For example, the Lots toolbar, Missing Line Setting, Lots, and Balance Setting can be done. In the Report toolbar, such reports can be done. Then, in the Utilities toolbar, such actions can be performed. Each time a survey job is computed, a number of standard survey reports are generated automatically for submission to the Land and Survey Department of Sarawak. These are examples of presented reports. These are three main views in which users can inspect a survey job after it has been computed. The role of the report view is to display a selected report to the user in a textual form. The master plan view, as its name suggests, displays a master plan of the whole survey. As for the sheet layout view, it simply displays a particular sheet layout generated on the fly based on a sheet layout object defined in the master plan view. This sheet layout can then be saved to a file in DWG format or exported in DXF format for editing on an AutoCAD platform.